I am a circle, nice around, no corners or sides can be found. I am not straight and I don't bend, my outside edges will never end. I am a square, that is my name. I have four sides, they are just the same. Turn me around, I don't care, I am always the same. I am square. I am a triangle, look at me. I have three sides, 1, 2, 3. Turn me around and you can still see. I have three sides, so count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I am a rectangle, that is my name. I have four sides that are not the same. Two sides are short and two are long. Count my sides, sing along. I am a rhombus, that is my name. I have four sides that are all the same. Some people call me a diamond and that's okay, I still look the same either way. I am a hexagon, that is my name. I have six sides that may all be the same. If you turn me around, you will see my six sides. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.